Now moving on, a major controversy has erupted after Koppal MP Rajshekhar Hitnar has described rape and murder case as a small incident. The remark refers to the rape and murder of a foreign woman near Sanapur in Gangavati Taluk last year, a case that had drawn international attention. And speaking at a tourism exploration program at the Koppal district administrative building, the MP repeatedly referred to the crime as a small incident, trying to trivialize it, downplay it, before later saying it was painful and should have never happened. Listen in.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂಜಾದ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೇಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಆಂಜನೇಯನ ಭಕ್ತರು ಬರೋರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಕಳಕಳಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಂಬಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಆಂಜನೇಯನ ಭಕ್ತರು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಪ್ರವಾಸಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆತಿಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಳಕಳೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳು ಕೂಡ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಬಿಂಬಿಸುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Viewers, the BJP isn't really sitting quiet on this. It has launched a scathing attack on the Congress leadership, questioning its commitment to women's safety and directly targeting Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's Ladki Hu Lad Sakti Hu campaign. Listen in to BJP reactions.
Congress MP from Karnataka has called rape and murder of two women and another friend of theirs, an Israeli woman, a tourist, as a very small and minor incident. This is the state of affairs and mindset of the Congress party. Their Home Minister says rapes, molestation that takes place during broad daylight are small incidents. Their Karnataka MLA says if you can't stop rape, the woman should enjoy the rape. Shanti Dhariwal, who was a minister in the Rajasthan government, said rapes happen because it's a Mardon ka Pradesh. We have seen the instances of how Congress has backed rapists, and now this. Where is Ladki Hu Lad Sakti Hu kehne wali Priyanka Vadra? She's silent. She makes an issue about rapes when it happens in BJP ruled states, but in Congress ruled states, she allows such people to prevail with such mindset.